Hello, family. Hello, family. This is another outfit. It says Chick Me, but I actually ordered this from Bella Wholesale. So I think that is a company that is affiliated with Chick Me because inside of the clothes, that's what it says. They like wholesale companies that's selling for each other some nice summer wear at a wholesale price to sit around the beach or just go out for some dinner, some very, very casual to travel with. Not that expensive because they've been losing a lot of luggage. So you want to be careful about what you bring on vacation because you may not see it anymore. So that is what this is for, vacation. And I have more to come at Brenda Teal 911 on YouTube. And what I do, I bring my steamer, and it works well. Hamilton steamer. Bring it with you, and it steams. Who want to be ironing on vacation when you could just bring a steamer? Just get all that out of there right quick. And girl, you be ready to go. And I put it on my, not my carry-on, but the check-in bag. And bring it with me. Business Boss Housewife. Subscribe. Brenda Teal 911. And this is by Chick Me. And I bought it online at Bella's Wholesale, I think for $22 for the set. Real wholesale prices. Good material, very stretchable. Another piece inside of it. So real cute. Real cute, sexy. Off the sleeve, it's body yada yada. I know that much. And material, you know that's giving body yada yada. Y'all have a great day. Have a great day. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Miss Teal.